Hello, this is Irina O'Hara, and this is week 3 assignment, MegaDesk version 1. Okay, so this is my application. I applied some design here, aligned the elements. So I'm gonna click on add a new quote, and here's the form. So I applied some validations. So for example, if I leave this empty, it will give me an error message saying please enter width in inches, so it cannot be empty. So if it also should be an integer, so if I just type something, it's gonna tell me that it should be an integer. Okay, so get quote. It takes me to this temporary page that I'm gonna keep working on. To save the quote, cancel quote takes me to the previous page, and then I can go back to the main menu. And then I can go and check out view quotes or search quotes, and we don't have anything here yet, but I can also click on exit to exit out of the application. So this is all that I have for now. I also have some code to calculate the quote, but I didn't get to displaying it yet. So this is all for now. Thank you.